أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are starting today's alphabet of Arabic lesson from the Swad and Dod. From the Swad and Dod.
From the Sod and Dod.
Swad, okay. Swad, you can read one time, please, with English spelling.
S-A-A-D.
S-A-W-D, I think. It's good. It's good, inshallah. Sword. It's some boldness in this. Some bold. Okay, some bold. Sword. Sad, no. Sword.
Sod.
Yeah.
Sod. Sod.
S-A-W-D. S-A-W-D. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, brother. Inshallah. After that, which, please?
Dod. Dod.
Dod. And
Dod.
which spell, please?
D-A-W-D.
Oh, which name pronounced
Dod.
Dod? Sword, S-A-W-D, Sword, and D-A-W-D, Dod. Dod.
Dod. Yes.
Very
Dod.
good. After that,
After that, it's Ta.
I think new
Ta.
letter for me and for you. Twa, I think.
It's new, yes. I was
Twa.
thinking the same thing, but you see, yes, I think this is the new letter. We never
Yeah.
went there, brother.
You are a beginner, brother. I think it spells is good for you. T-H-U-A. Twa.
You know why? Because I hear many days when I pray in the mosque or when I pray with people, I hear the words and I can remember.
Which spells?
You understand?
You feel which spells good for understanding? Understanding is our topic. Yeah, okay. Yeah. What spells is good for
Yes.
beginner in Twa?
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Is this brother? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Is that what it is? Maybe. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Is that good? Is that maybe what I hear the spelling when I pray? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Nice trying. Again, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. That's the spelling ta. Ta. After dot. After dot. Ta. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Is this also, brother? Ta. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Is there many tasks in Surah Al-Fatiha? For example, I took the easiest one. That way students can learn.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. One time, please, again. One time again, please.
Ta. Do you want me to recite?
Thwa, TH, I think it's good. Okay. TAW, good, I think. TAW, okay? TAW.
TAW,
Yeah,
yes.
it's good. Say, pronounce, please. Recite it.
TAW. Ta.
Thwa,
TAW. Ta.
Thaw. It's some boldness
Ta.
in this, okay?
Ta.
H, I remove
Ta.
the H from these spells. TAW, I think good, inshallah. TAW.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Next one, please. Okay, before that,
Da.
yeah, okay, good.
Yes.
But before this, I have a question. Which in Surah Fatiha, Twa is where using? Ehdina
The Ta.
Sirat Twa.
Tal Mustaqim. That's what I recited now. Yes.
Twa.
Ihdina sirat al Mustaqim.
Twal.
It's Ta.
It's Twa.
Tal.
Twal. Sirat Twal.
Tal.
Mustaqim. Sirat
Oh, sirat al
Twal.
Mustaqim.
Twal.
Yep.
Twal.
Tal Mustaqim.
Tal wrong.
Tal Mustaqim.
Tal wrong. Twal.
It's wrong.
Twal.
Twal.
Is correct.
Twal.
Okay.
Brother, I have to. Okay, brother.
It's
I just want to tell you. Yes,
Twa.
yes.
It's
In the
ta.
end, yes.
What
Ta.
is this ta and twa? It's ta and twa. What?
Ta and Twa.
No. What is this? Choose one letter. It's ta and twa.
And Dua. So, if you see Dua, it's more like it's with D.
No. In alphabets, it's twa and twa. What is this letter? Today's lesson, what? Its name, its pronouncing style. What is this? Ta and twa. What? Choose one.
I'll choose Dua.
It's twa and twa. Twa and ta. Is ta correct and
Ta
twa
and
correct? What is wrong from this ta and twa? You correct my mistake.
the dot.
You are
The
my
dot.
teacher for 1 minute. You are my teacher for 1 minute. I will read you correct my wrong lesson. Twa.
The dot. The dot is a difference in the letter. The dot.
No. Twa. Only focus on the twa first.
Oh, Twa first.
I am reading. I am a student. You are a teacher. Ta.
Ta.
Ta and twa. What is it? Ta.
Okay, give me one.
It's ta and twa. What
Okay.
is this? Choose one letter. Ta, twa. What's correct? What's wrong?
So it's Ta and Twa. It's the Twa. It's more like. Oh, is it D? Twa is with D.
It's pronouncing correction.
DH.
It's pronouncing good pronouncing is twa and wrong ta. Wrong ta. Correct twa.
And you see Ta here. Okay, I see.
Now.
Ta.
Okay. After
Ta.
that,
Yes.
and where is using Allah Rabbul Alameen in Quran this twa? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم twa.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Using this twa in أعوذ بالله. After that, بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط
المستقيم.
صراط الذين
Correct.
صراط الذين
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم
المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Okay. Yakfi for today this example. After that, inshallah, we will correct. Next, we will find from the Quran. Inshallah, we will use. Inshallah, I will teach you how we will use this letter with science. We will read science. This after this finish this lesson after 28 letters finishing. After that, we will learn, inshallah, we will recite science. Fatah, Kasra,
In
Dhamma,
science,
Zayd, Zabarpesh.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah, very easy. Allah said Quran is very easy for understanding,
Very
for reading,
easy.
for
Very
memorizing.
easy.
Yeah, inshallah. Okay, please, you can read next one now.
Now it's dua. Dua.
Spellings in
Dua.
English, please.
D-H. D-H-U-A.
ZHAW.
Again.
ZHAW. Zwa. Zoo. Zoo. Zoo
Dua.
place.
Oh.
Can you
Dua. Yeah,
understand
yeah.
what is a zoo
Dua.
place? Animal
Dua.
house. Zoo place.
Dua.
Zoo
Yes.
place. Zwa. But first letter is zoo. But after that spell ZHAW. Zwa. Zwa. Bold. Boldness also in this dua. 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 Whistle sound is not allowed in this. After, if you will mix whistle sound in this letter, then will change the letter in Quran, change the meaning in Quran, in hadith, in Arabic books. Please don't whistle, don't touch the little whistle also in this. Don't mix the whistle. Whistle is not allowed. What is the whistle? Z, z, z. Wrong. Z, wrong. Whistle is wrong. Don't mix. Not allowed. What is this? Touch your tip of your tongue, upper with middle
The.
tips.
The. The. The.
Whistle sound is not allowed in this. This focus. Okay, don't forget this rule in this dua. Whistle sound is not allowed.
I see, brother. I see.
Dua, 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 dua. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله. We will find this dua also. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت. No, it's ذال, using ذال ذين. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم. It's ضاد دوب عليهم ولا الضالين. It's not in this. لا موجود. Nothing is in this. But we will find, search inshallah, complete Quran, but step by step inshallah. Don't worry. Okay, brother.
Yes,
Okay.
brother. I know.
Yeah,
We
please.
are both excited. We want to get it done quick because we see that we can do it.
Inshallah, Arabic letters, inshallah, I will explain for you in short time, big benefit. Okay. How many letters today we read?
Billions of billions
How?
of billions
How?
of billions
How? We
of
was
billions.
read only 2 letters. Twa and dwa. You are saying billion letter you are reading in 30 minutes class. Why?
Because it's Allah made it alphabet in billions of hadiths and in so many other hadith books in the Quran. It's mentioned for
Mashallah,
billions
mashallah,
of billions of billions of
brother.
asans.
1 second, brother. 1 second. Today our lesson twa and dua, 2 letters. But
Two letters.
twa
Two
is
letters.
using twa. How many times you search from Google, from internet? How many time using twa alphabet in Quran?
Billions of times used in the Quran.
In Arabic letter, in Arabic books, in hadith books, in complete Arabic books. Inshallah, Google give you answer. Google will give you answer. Allahu Akbar. Millions times.
Allahu Akbar.
Thousands
Millions times.
times. How many letters we read in 30 minutes class today? 2 letters. No. Million letter we understand and
Millions
recite
later.
and learn. Alhamdulillah. Happy.
Alhamdulillah. Alif Ba.
Yeah. Our our rule, our classes rule, in short time, big benefit for students. Inshallah, it's
Barakallah.
sadaqah jariyah. Yeah, we are not wasting the time of students and students' parents, and also our time also. Inshallah, okay, brother. Inshallah.
Inshallah, brother.
Yeah, brother. Okay, please one time recite from the alif. You can after that, inshallah, we will touch next.
Inshallah,
Inshallah,
barakallah.
inshallah.
All right.
Yeah.
Bismillah. Alif, ba, ta, ta, jim, ha, ha, dal, dal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, da, da, ta, dad, sad, shin, sin, za, ra, dal, dal, ha, 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 jim, ta, ta, ba, alif.
One time, please, from the alif.
Alif, ba, ta, ta, jim, ha, ha, dal, 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 ra, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, ta, ba, ba, ta, ta, dad, sad, shin, sin, za, ra, dal, dal, ha, 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 jim, ha, jim, ta, ta, ba, alif.
One time again, reverse.
Da, ta, dad, sad.
No. What is the
From first.
Yeah, from no. From you are a good reading, mashallah. Again, please reverse one time. Please.
Da, da, ta.
No. Dua no. It's
Ta.
no, brother. Listen to me. What is the first word in English? Zoo place. What is the alphabet of first
Z.
alphabet? Yeah. What? Please.
Z.
Z. Yeah.
Z, D, U, Z, D, H, U, A.
Don't mix the D. Not D. Z H A W. Z H A W. Z H.
Z, H.
When you will mix the H, then boldness will come and whistles will remove. Rule will apply. Spell
Z, H, W, A. Zwa.
Z H A W. Z H A W. What?
Z, H, A, W. Zwa.
Mashallah. Okay. Before.
Zwa. Okay, zwa. Ta.
Spell.
Ta. T, H, A. Ta. No, I'm sorry.
T A W. Also good.
T, A, W, you can do ta. Ta.
T A W. Okay, good. Inshallah, you are a beginner. I am giving you easy style. Sometime I remove the H alphabet, and sometime I will mixed for your easy. I will type H. Sometime I will remove H. It's good for. It's only for students. easily. Okay, yeah, it's don't focus.
Inshallah, brother.
First focus is our focus is Quran, correct reading, correction of
Correct reading.
pronouncing of
Very,
that
very important.
alphabets. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't focus on the how, why removing the H, why adding the H sometimes.
No, no, no.
Yeah,
No, no.
yeah. Don't worry.
But I'm going to send you later a message if I have some question, okay?
Inshallah, I think our class time finished. Also, one time repeat it from the Zwa to Alif. After that, we will end the class, inshallah. And tomorrow we will come start the Dua and some lessons of Arabic, inshallah, inshallah. Okay, but first
Barakallah.
is 28 letters very important. After that, we will easily touch to Arabic. We also understand the Arabic, but first step is alphabets. Only
Alphabet is very important.
very important. How many alphabets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 12 alphabets after today. After that, we will talk to next, inshallah.
Don't stop there. No, wait.
Okay.
Inshallah, tabarakallah. Okay, my brother, of course. Okay, let me, from where you want me to read, inshallah?
If you want to, then one time read from the Alif to last letter. After that, we will finish the class.
Bismillah, of course, brother, of course. Alif. Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء حاء دال ذال راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد تاء ضاء.
Good. Go one time, Rubas.
Alhamdulillah. ذا ثاء دا ثاء ضاد صاد شين سين ظا راء دال دال حاء 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 جيم جيم طا طا باء ألف.
From the raw and from the raw, go to reverse, please. Again.
را زا جيم را زا جيم
No.
تا تا
Raw. Before raw, which letter? Before raw.
دال دال.
What spell?
DHAAL.
No, brother. ZHAAL. ZHAAL. Don't worry. Inshallah. Inshallah. It's very easy. But correction is very important for beginner. Yeah, I was also beginner. Every alim, hafiz, qari and Arabic experts was beginner.
I think, listen, okay, I cannot tell you now because
Don't
you may
worry.
be recording for class.
Don't worry.
I'm going to ask you.
Yeah, inshallah. Okay, brother. I am ending the class. Class time also finished. ठीक है. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.